Hey drummers, Jim Linsner here. Today I'm going to show you a simple move that's really effective for creating variations in your grooves. I call it the left hand uppercut because your left hand moves quickly from the snare drum to the right side of the hi-hat. Okay? Not the left side of the hi-hat, but the right side of the hi-hat underneath the right hand. Okay, and this is kind of cool because it's a smaller motion, and because your stick hits with the shoulder on the edge of the hi-hat, you get kind of an instant accent. Very cool. So we're going to start by just playing one left hand uppercut on the of 2 in a very simple groove. The groove is just going to be bass drum on 1, snare drum on 2, bass drum on the and of 3, snare drum on 4. Check it out. Yeah, pretty cool, right? So now you can also play that uppercut and make it a quick open hi-hat sound. Or you can do the uppercut and leave the hi-hat open all the way until beat 4 when you hit the snare drum. Okay, let's go back to the closed hi-hat sound, but let's do the uppercut 2 times on the of 2 and the of 4. Another possibility is you could play the uppercut on the E of 3. Now let's combine the uppercut on the of 2 and the E of 3. Of course, there are like 1,000 other bass drum variations you could play. I'm going to play one of my favorites, which is just playing 2 bass drum notes in a row on the E and of 3. Okay, now I'll just play some variations on the bass drum and hopefully give you an idea of how you can incorporate the left hand uppercut into all your favorite grooves. Okay, get that stuff together and we'll see you in part 2. I'm Jim Linsner. If you're interested in private lessons, please contact me at drumlessonsbuffalo.com.